Amerikanong City Chart.
Jacob, hi! You hi to mommy. Hi! Where's Tito? Where's Tito Don? No, Tito Don. There. Where's your sleeper? I want Tita give you. Where's your sleeper? You find your sleeper, please. Please, you find your sleeper. Where's your sleeper? There. You wear it? No. You wear. No. You find the other one. Please, you get the other one. Please. Oh, you get your water. You drink first. Please. No.
Ganito ang magiging
Easy. Show daddy your teeth. Easy. How old are you? How old are you, Jacob? 1. Very good. How to cry, Jacob? Opo. How to laugh? Opo. Yakult, you give that to mommy? Please? You share to mommy? Please? Where's Tito? You get your water first, you drink. Where's your water? There? Where's your water? You get it, please. Please.
November 2003, unang nagsagawa ng same-sex marriage rights ang Metropolitan Church. Pero noong Sabado lang ito, isinapubliko. May nawalis patrol ng Pilipino.
Pakyut ka naman ng pakyut, bebe. Wow.
Sa San Francisco, California naman, pumarada ang mga bakla at tomboy para sa taunang gay pride.
No, it's bad. Say daddy, no, daddy. Say no. Dali na. No. You scare daddy, please. You scare daddy. Oh. Opo, daddy. You count, you show daddy how to count. 1. No, it's crying. You show daddy how to count. 1, 2. No.
Dahil sa inspirasyon gulo ng pagsasagal ng gay marriage sa New York.
You sing nga. You sing mutya. Tito, how to sing mutya, Tito? Tito.
Kamakailan ay binahagi niya ang kwento ng kanyang pakikipagsapalaran mula sa pagiging lesbian tungo sa pagiging ganang lalaki ng pagkakawan.
Buhay ay sadyang... Unsa na siya to? Ambot ay siya ng kantahan ng kuan. You sing nga, twinkle, twinkle, little star. How? Dance, how? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Show your hands like this. The one that mommy teach you. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Oh, you clap your hands. Yay, very good. No, you put down first. This one, you put down. Then you clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.